Converting decimals into percentages. As for decimals, we know that they can easily be converted into decimal fractions. The number of decimal places determines the number of zeros in the denominator of the corresponding decimal fraction. For example, we have the following shown on screen. If we want to transform these numbers into percentages, we must make all denominators of the corresponding fractions 100. Thus, if we consider the previous numbers again, we have the following shown on screen. Example. Convert the following numbers into percentages: A, 9 out of 30. B, 7/14. C, 30/24. D, 6.32. E, 0.907. F, 11.001. Solution. Applying the methods described previously, we obtain the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 5.2.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 5.2.3, Converting non-decimal fractions into percentages. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.